Today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Civic LX, alabaster silver metallic in color. It's got 91,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Everything in really good shape on the driver's side. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks good here. It's in great shape for a 2012 with 91,000 miles on it. Exterior looks amazing. The only thing that I see is just a few rock chips up here on the hood. Okay, and that's to be expected with a vehicle with this much miles and this age. Okay, but in really good shape. All right, it's a 2012, 91,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black and gray door panels. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. All right, it's a non-smoker's car. 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat is in fantastic shape as well. Center console's got your USB port here. All right, it is an automatic. Got your auxiliary and power outlet right down here. It's your climate control area, AM/FM CD player. All right, you're going to have a display right here for the radio and the mileage, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your steering wheel audio controls. All right, and then your econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 91,035 miles on it. All right, and as you can see, it's got the digital speedometer. And we'll pan out just a little bit more, but you can see the lights here in the Civic. They got it laid out really nicely in the dash here. All right, give you another shot of the radio here. And then your climate control area. We'll turn on the lights, kind of let you see. There we go. All right, AC is blowing nice and cold. No issues at all with the air conditioning. This thing is really well maintained. It's in really good shape. 91,000 miles on it. It's hardly a wrinkle in the cloth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat, and then we'll take a look at your trunk space. Door panels back here look good. All right, carpet's nice and clean. No stains on the back seat. Cloth's in great shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. Got your spare tire there. Plenty of space back here. Take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels. All right, it's got the hubcaps on here. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2012. Hold on, let me go ahead and give you a shot of the engine here. I got the hood popped. Everything nice and clean in here. 2012 Honda Civic LX, clean Carfax, only 91,000 miles, and this thing is a clean 91,000. You will not find another Civic that is this clean with 91,000 miles on it. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.